In this video, we will showcase some of the Halloween props we've built over the years and provide a behind-the-scenes look at how they were made. One of our most popular items is a fully animated skeleton in a coffin. The coffin was built from plywood, and we applied textured paint to the exterior to give it a stone-like appearance. We lined the interior with black cloth. We modified a plastic skull by cutting the jawbone free, installing hinges and mounting a servo in the head to animate the mouth. We also inserted LEDs into the eye sockets. We fabricated the torso and arm using aluminum, and we attached the skull to a shaft and mounted it to a bearing on the skeleton's body. We installed a 12-volt motor to rotate the head. Two 12-volt linear actuators operate the lid and skeleton body. Here you see the skeleton fully dressed and ready for the show. Our custom-built electronics synchronize the timing of the audio file with the movement of the mouth. The glow from a black light mounted inside the coffin illuminates the skeleton. We enlisted the help of a professional design company to turn our coffin idea into a manufactured Halloween prop for retail stores across the country. Here is our virtual prototype, created by an animator who worked on the second installment of Shrek. We've included a link to the full animated prototype video in the description below. We also built a swinging lantern with a flickering flame. The mechanical components and electronics are concealed within a custom-built cabinet. This prop creates the illusion that the lantern is rocking back and forth on its own. The natural swinging motion is achieved by not having the motor connected directly to the lantern. We built a fully enclosed cabinet around the mechanism, and we installed doors and a latch. This concealed the inner workings and allowed access for maintenance. We used a real oil-burning lantern and installed a light bulb socket inside the oil reservoir. A small power cable coming from an internal power supply is attached to the back of the lantern handle and discreetly routed to the flickering bulb. Final installation looks like this. We recreated the classic parlor illusion known as Pepper's ghost. This effect involves shining a light on a hidden subject, with the reflection appearing on a piece of glass visible to the spectator. We hand-built the stage light for this prop. The flap opens and closes using a linear actuator, creating a smooth disappearing and reappearing effect. Another ghost prop is our glowing pop-up ghost. It is triggered when a visitor breaks the beam of an optical sensor. The movement of the ghost is managed by a pneumatic actuator, which is powered by compressed air. We built this skeleton prop in 2010. It has served us well over the years, startling countless unsuspecting guests. Similar to the glowing ghost, the skeleton's movement is controlled by a pneumatic actuator. We mount the prop in a dark corner. A red light turns on when the sensor is triggered, illuminating the skeleton. Our swinging leg prop has entertained people for years. It is designed for easy installation. A rotating motor moves the rod connected to the leg back and forth. A glimpse inside the haunted house control room gives you a look at some of the custom-built electronics that control the show. Circuitry includes modules that play audio in each specific scene, and control boards that trigger air valves that give guests a friendly blast. For our latest project, we built stone pillars with flickering lights. The pillars are made from wood with a flexible mortar applied to the exterior. The light fixture in each pillar is wired to a standard power cord. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up button. Also, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future content.